Good afternoon, this is Papa D at muli ay papakita ko sa inyo ang situation namin for almost many months, but this is the worst scenario na naging for the past 5 days that most of the areas here are flooded because of the high tide. Ito po yan, papakita ko po yan, this one, the fish pond here. Ayan. How wide is the fish pond? Then, as you see, the area, covered area, like this. And then, like that. Yeah. So, mahirap dito. Pala, sa malapit sa mga areas na katulad ng dito palaisdaan. Anyway, before we move here in the late 80s or 1996, yes, I remember that. Walang ganitong situation. So my house is flooded, of course. Here I'm going to tour you. Itong situation. Balik na ako kasi medyo madilim na dito sa amin. So, anyway, ganito yun. Mamaya, lilinisin ko pa rin ito. Yes, of course. I have to clean this the water. Of course, itataboy ko yan sa labas. Mamaya. So, ito ang aming bahay. Ito po. Yan po. Flooded po ito. Flooded. And then, ito po yung aking harapan ng bahay. Siya naglalaba. And this is our street. Just imagine, the street is so much flooded. Yeah, as you can see, the big area of the entire street, the area of the street is flooded. Not only in our places, but the whole subdivision here in Merida Queen. Hagonoy, Bulacan. So, dati hindi na to. Tapos, before, mababa itong garahe ko. Mga nakakarang taon, pinapakita ko parang swimming pool ito. Yeah. Pero nung pinatasan ko naman ito, inabot pa rin. Nag-adjust din. Kung paano nag-adjust din yung tubig. At hindi lang yun. Pero, ang advantage nito, pag wala yung garahe na ito, hindi ko napataasan. For sure, ganyang kalalim doon sa labas. So, I'm thankful sa Panginoon dahil pinag-pray ko to na mag-grant ang aking prayer request na yon. And then, isa katuparan naman, and I thank God for it. So, again, this is Papa D saying bye for a while, and I just made this video para mapakita ko po sa inyo ang aming kinalalagyan. But despite of this, sometimes I sing, despite na maraming nasasabi ko nga, flooded tong area na to, pero I sing because nakakalis ng stress. And after that, I clean the house. So, this is Papa D saying bye for a while, at saka take care and God bless.